Experience was awesome. We knew where we wanted to start, how we wanted to start rather, and at least making it into the top 4 by the end of the tournament was our goal. Going forward to clinch the title was even better. That was icing on the cake. Yeah, it was pretty tough because we knew for us to be able to come up top 4, we needed to beat some strong teams, which was evident enough. If you look at the scores, they were a bit close. So that tells you the kind of opponents we were playing against. For rugby, you have to keep on going. This win was a sweet one, and we know very well you can't bask on victory for long. So we have to dust ourselves up, at least tushasherekea enough. We have to recover and start all over again. SportPesa being part of us, I mean, they came in when we really needed a sponsor, and yeah, they've been with us tukirelegetiwa, they were there, and the fact that they are still with us as we are trying to get back to the series, I mean, ni a very big motivation to every stakeholder who plays part in the team.
The prospects of getting back to the World Series is getting your targets right. Like for the first Challenger Series, we had a goal of making sure that we come back as top 4, and you can see when you set to land at the sun, landing at the moon, you take everything. Areas that we need to look at to improve for the team bonding, that cohesion as a unit, such that we are moving as one. The other bit is technical aspect that our coaches will delve into. I mean, SportPesa is the only person that has chosen to work with us through this time, and it's good for them to continuously support the game, and not only in rugby. You can see them doing well in other disciplines also. It's a good thing, and as an athlete, I'm only happy to have a few coins at the end of the day.